Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to set up Wi-Fi direct in Canon pixma TS7440a printer. I have already done unboxing this printer. Let's power on. Open the paper tray and adjust the paper guide and load some A4 papers. Choose your preferred language and tap OK and tap Yes to continue. This printer comes with setup cartridges 460 and 461. Open the top cover and open this cover to load setup cartridges. These setup cartridges can print up to 25 to 30 papers. Load the setup cartridges on the same play where it is black and where it is color. Then close the cover as it is. Now the printer needs alignment. Tap OK to continue and tap Yes to proceed. Tap OK to proceed. It will take up to 5 minutes to complete this printer alignment process. Please be patient until the printer alignment page is complete. Now it's showing lost 1 minute. Now finally it has done. It prints 2 alignment pages as you can see here. Tap OK to go main menu and go to the menu. Choose device settings and tap OK. Go down to the end of the list, other device setting, tap OK, and here go to the last Wi-Fi settings. Tap OK. Again tap OK to enable pairing. Go back to your mobile app store. Install the application name called Canon Print. Once you install, agree the terms and conditions and tap OK. Close this above screen. Tap Add button and tap Register Printer. Choose the auto connection method, and this printer have this icon, so tap Yes and hold this icon on your printer for 3 seconds. Hold this for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, then release it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 Tap the check mark and tap next. Now the application is searching your printer. Tap join and tap next. Choose this direct connection and tap done. Now go back to your Wi-Fi settings. Here you see the printer is already connected as a Wi-Fi direct method. Tap OK. Now I am going to print a document. Choose a document from my phone. Here is the settings. You can change color or black and choose the paper settings. And tap print. Once the printing is completed, you will see the paper is printing on your printer. Now I am going to copy this document. Choose the number of copies and tap this green icon to copy. Here the basic default settings is in color, so if I tap green, the printer will print you the color copy. If you want to change this printer to be black copy, go to this menu, OK, and here the copy settings. Using the down arrow key, here the color you can choose as black and white. And tap OK to continue. Now the printer is in default black settings. If I tap copy, now the printer is copying black and white output. Thank you for watching Gulf Tech channel.